Hey guys, so today I'm going to do an unboxing. A few days ago, actually 2 days ago to be exact, because I have Amazon Prime, I bought this mini waffle maker. It's by a company called Dash, and it's actually called Mini Maker Waffle. 4-inch cooking surface, non-stick, 350 watts. This is what it looks like. I got it for $24.95 on Amazon, and they have 8 colors. It had pretty good ratings. I want to say it was like 4.5 out of 5 stars or something. So I already opened the top, and let's just see. I was wondering how small it really was, because it, you know, it's advertised as a mini waffle maker. So, all right, so you pull it out, and inside, oh, it comes with yummy recipes. That's pretty cool. I'll have to look into those. All right, so this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. So let's take it out of the cardboard. And then you have this plastic covering that just slides right off, and there you go. There's your waffle maker. So, and that is pretty small, if you can tell. But that's fine. I mean, I've got 3 kids to feed. I've got, I mean, I could eat 1 or 2 of these and be full. My kids could probably eat 1 or 2 each and be full. My husband will probably need about, 5 or 6 of these, but they are waffles. So it is, they're pretty filling, and you can put tons of toppings. You can do blueberries, bananas, chocolate chips, whipped cream. You can use syrup, you can use yogurt. I like to use applesauce instead of syrup for the boys, just to make it a little bit healthier. But breakfast for dinner around here is a treat anyway. So it looks like there is this little indicator light that comes on when it's ready. I believe I read that. Let me go plug it in, and I'll go see if that's what that button is. Hang on just a second. And there's no on-off button or anything. You just plug it in to use it. So let me bring you guys. I'm in my husband's office right now because the baby is asleep, and I did not want to risk waking him up. So come on over here with me, and let's look at this thing. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, so when I plugged it in, here, let me put it down here. So when I plugged it in, the blue light came on, and so I guess when it goes off, that means it's ready. Let's see. Unless that just means it's a hot surface. I guess it just means it's a hot surface. I need to read the directions, obviously, but yeah, this is getting pretty hot really quick, and I just plugged it in. So, yep, that's getting pretty hot, actually, for being a waffle maker. That's good. So I'll get back to you guys on what the blue light means. I should have read the directions first. Or actually, we can just read them together. I'm going to unplug it for now. Let's go ahead and read them together and see what we find out. Sorry. I don't have poor fashion sense, at least not this poor. This is a silicone teething necklace for my baby. He is chewing his hands off, so if you're a breastfeeding mom or your child is teething, I really recommend one of these. I did a review. I also got this off Amazon, and I did a review a couple days ago, but for Amazon. I didn't do it for YouTube. So if you'd like a review of this teething necklace, I would love to do one. Just let me know in the comments below. They have tons of different colors, lengths, different kinds. So anyways, that's why I'm wearing this sort of big ugly necklace. All right, so it looks like let's see, so that's all it comes with. The only thing that it comes with is the recipe card. Inside, it lets you register your product online, so that's good. I always recommend doing that. We just got a new car seat in today for our son. He'll be 4 years old soon, and so he is now, he needs a new car seat, and so we got the registration card, we filled it out, and I just put it in the mailbox. It's very important to do that, especially for car seats. I mean, for a waffle maker, I don't know if I would be so, yeah, we got to do this, but it's good for any product that you buy. Okay, so the book actually isn't just recipes, it is directions and all. Important safeguards, please read and save this instruction manual. Let's see. I'm trying to look for what the blue light means. And I'll do this real quick. I know y'all don't want to watch me read, and you can find this out on your own, I'm sure. But just so I can... So it says that the blue light is an indicator light. I guess that indicates that it's hot, or does it? Oh, here we go. Okay, place the appliance on a stable and dry surface, plug the cord into a power outlet, we did that. The indicator light will illuminate, which it did, signaling that the Mini Maker waffle is heating up. Once the cooking surface reaches the optimal cooking temperature, the indicator light will automatically shut off. So there we go. So once the light is off, that means you can start cooking. And then it has some other directions and stuff. It's really nice. And then in the middle, they have the recipes here. So, yeah, $24.95. They have all kinds of different colors. Like I said, I think they have 8 different colors. I got this pretty pink one because I'm the only girl in the house. I have 3 sons and then my husband. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'll probably keep the box and all just in case. I always keep the boxes and all that just in case something happens or I don't like it for some reason and I can send it back. I think you have like 30 days with Amazon Prime. But anyways, that's my review of the Dash Mini Waffle Maker in pink. Let me know if you want anything else reviewed. I buy from Amazon all the time and I'd be happy to do one for you. All right, thanks guys, bye.